before you start, hit that notification.
So
Give me
we're playing
huge thumbs up.
We're playing epic minigames, and the round is so whoever gets the most wins will
win.
Have to do a chat win. We'll do a.
But who? What's the point? Whoever loses.
Okay, so on this one, it's a team one. So you have to present. There's gonna be like these lines that look like something. So you have to like protect them or something.
I have no idea. You wanna be in my team? This is an epic game. Mini gamer.
There's gonna be a lightning thing.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
No, someone destroyed it. You're supposed to step on it.
Oh.
Yo, these people are.
Yes. I'm poor now. I'm clever. No. Yes, I.
How did it get destroyed? Okay, everyone has to at least do it too. Plus, the server.
People are dumb in the server.
Everyone here is like
dumb. I might win the epic mini game. Oh my god, this girl's legs on the floor.
Oh no, I hate this.
Look at this leg. I never. Oh, I wish I'm the person. I wish I'm the person. I don't want to do obbies and stuff.
So that one was a 0.
Yes.
I'm not in this one.
I forgot.
Ooh.
What team are you on?
So I like how they added all the developers.
Oh,
So
this.
let's check out this new map. I just went on it because I'm gonna look at it. Okay. Monthly leaders. Why are there all Vikings?
Made one.
People with Robuxers spending
That's why I'm playing with New the Noob. Okay, I'm playing with New the Noob right now. A YouTuber.
So if you want,
okay. I got 40 wins. I'm the middle person.
actually 158 actually.
You're in my game. I have no idea. I'm not doing anything. Who do you think's winning? I think Lou is winning. Yes! Yes, we won! One more win and then I'm in level 7.
I just skipped that round because I wanted to.
Someone's in level 20.
No, I wasn't in the round. Bomb Valley!
Bomb?
Oh yes, if
I have no idea.
If I shift lock on this, I would kill, like literally.
I have shift lock.
I'm joking. But I really love it.
Okay, how do we do this?
Oh, okay. Oh. Shift lock?
I'm dead. 3, 2. Who's the bomb? I was the bomb one time.
Yes! Oh.
2, 1. What? It keeps on going 10 more seconds. When is this gonna be over? Yes! I know. You're supposed to get the bomb?
No, you're supposed to avoid the bomb.
What does avoid mean? Try to... No!
Yes!
But I see you dying. Some wings dying that have the same wings as you. And I'm the... Wait.
Yes! I won!
It says completed. You are now level 7.
Okay, it's 1-1 each.
No, I got 2.
So, no, that round is down.
It's still counted. I'm level 7 now, finally, but now...
Oh, no, I hate this. This is a duo.
Oh, no, not
Okay,
this one.
okay, if I get this person, I will win.
What happened? I have no idea what to do.
Oh, no. Okay, so you're supposed to... No, I hate it.
I see no hole.
I should have gone shift box. No, I'll do it inside.
I'm a noob at this game. Noob.
Dude, why am I not? I recommend when you play this type of game, to use mouse because it's really.
I thought I just fixed that one. No, this is not working.
I do have a wireless mouse. It's just like I don't use it. Oh no.
No, I think I will lose.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna die. Why don't we just jump on the pipes?
I know. I'm trying to jump on the
help.
pipe.
We can just all work
No,
together.
I died.
We died at the same time. What the hell? Okay, so that one was a tie because we also died.
Because we both lost.
As we host everybody.
No, we have, we don't have lots of minutes left. No, we do.
Okay, we're gonna.
How much minutes is your video?
We started really 10 seconds apart. Train trouble is really easy.
Train trouble, what do you do?
It's like you just have to press D A D A D A D A D A.
Oh, okay, let me.
No, because you're not. Okay, so basically a train will be coming, and make sure those things don't hit you.
On computer.
If I lose, I don't get the point. This is how you do it.
Hope you lose. Hope you lose. Hope you lose. Hope you lose.
Mine was a little big, so
Hope you lose. No, I think he's winning.
This hacker actually died in this game. I saw him, this hacker. I should have reported him. I think I had him.
Okay, I got this girl. She's so good. I'm spectating on this girl. Oh, I'm spectating on her. Stop it! Yes! You got hit. Yes! You got hit. No, you didn't get hit. I hope you die. I hope you die again.
Yes, I survived.
No.
That's 2.21. I'll be right back, guys.
I can't pause my video. Then it restarts the video.
My video is
Okay. Solo storm. I'm gonna pause my video. I'll be right back.
So, guys, we're gonna play Solo Swordman.
Finally.
Whatever
this is.
Okay, so let's team up. Someone will be given a sword. Stay alive. You have to stay alive.
Okay, I have to press 1 or E. I can't even get a sword yet. You don't kill me, please. I see him. Guys, I see him. This is so... He's after me! No! Don't do this to me!
Oh, I'm supposed to kill everyone.
Don't come close to me. No! I'm such a noob. I should end this video here. How much video? We should end the video here.
You can't give up.
I'll never win. This is so intense. I wish I can show you my face right now. I look so cute right now. Right? Do I have my headband? It looks like a bandana. I have no idea what I'm saying. Okay, speak louder because the camera can't hear you.
Was that the speaker?
What? What happened? What happened? No, it's 60 seconds for you. No, wait, what team are you?
I love this. So you get a freezer, you have to freeze the other team.
Oh my god, this is so scary. scary. I love this game, but I have to stay here and can't do this. Okay.
Let's play in the game.
People are hiding.
Oh, this guy is gonna get me.
Girl, thank you.
I'm just trying to stay alive. That guy's taking revenge. I don't know what to do because my mouse is going.
No, I'm so sad. Help me, someone. Help. Have another blue person come and spraying them. Hey, you're freezing me more now.
Oh my gosh. Ha 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 ha.
Yes!
Yes!
We won! So it was a tie. So it was
Okay.
3-2.
We have to end the video here.
Okay, guys. So the winner was me.
Of course, you guys know he's good on laptop. Well, we'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.